Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Pops. Today we are going to cook shrimp curry. Let's get started. These are the ingredients for today's recipe. For a complete list of ingredients, please check the description box at the bottom of the video. We are going to be making a wet mix which we'll be using as part of our shrimp curry. This is a cup of diced tomato which I'm going to start with. 1 cup of coconut milk, half a cup of tamarind sauce, 1 tablespoon of coriander paste, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. I'll mix this for about a minute. Mix seems to be ready. This is how it turned out. We'll start with heating this oil on high heat. This is half a cup of oil. Oil is now hot and I'm going to put 1 medium onion chopped up. And I'll keep stirring the same till the time it becomes nice and brown, and then we'll add other ingredients in that. You can now see the onion is quite brown. I'm going to add this juice in it and continue. Keep stirring this till the time I see it's slowly boiling. I'm reducing the temperature to medium-low. Now we'll let it cook for 2 or 3 minutes. I'm adding 1 cup of mushroom now. Also adding 1 cup of red bell peppers. We'll continue cooking on medium-low for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we'll add our dry spices. 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of shredded coconut. Now I'm going to blend it nicely and let the sauce cook for a few minutes, like about 3 or 4 minutes. So everything is now blending, all the spices and everything that we put in, all the wet spice, the dry spice. Now this is becoming a base of our curry. Now I'm going to add my shrimps. This was marinated with light soya, about 2 tablespoons of light soya. I'm going to blend this nicely, and again I'll reduce the temperature about low, and I'll just cover it up and leave it there for about 5 to 7 minutes, and the shrimps will be done. Now I'll take the top off. You can see it's still juicy, so I'll just leave it for 2 or 3 minutes, make it a little thicker, and then it will be done. Now as far as shrimp is concerned, we had 1 pound of shrimp and I had marinated with light soya for about 3 hours. The purpose of cooking it on low heat is to keep the shrimp nice and moist and soft, and that's why we steam it for about few minutes, which is on low heat. Now this shrimp curry is complete. You can have a look at it, how it looks, and we are going to now plate it, and you can see the final product. We have prepared this rice for the shrimp curry. If you want to know how to prepare this rice, you can watch our beef curry video. We will leave a link to it on the description box at the bottom of the video. I'll fill this plate with rice first. I'll add the shrimp curry on the rice. I've chopped up this mint and we are going to use it for final garnishing. This is our final shrimp curry, ready to eat. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do so and press the bell button so you are notified each time we post a new video. And remember to share this video with all of your friends. Until next time. It's time for the taste test. See how the boss feels. Oh wow! Is that good? Good? Yes. Tastes like curry. Shrimp has turned out nice, soft and juicy. So along with the rice, it really tastes good. And all the ingredients that I put in is fused together nicely. Great. She took a second bite, that means she likes it. Right? She likes it? Yeah. She's a meat eater. She likes fish, meat, shrimps, everything. My buddy.